Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I've got to do a wreckers run. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and post notification bell. Stay up to date with this crazy rebuild. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright boys, we got to do a wreckers run today. Well, we don't have to, but I'm going to. For the Golf and for the Skyline. Because what's the odds that both of our cars start to have trouble with the camshaft positioning sensor? Both of them. So there's some cars at Ringwood, which isn't too far away, maybe less than 20-minute drive depending on traffic. I'm going to grab some second-hand ones from some cars there. I did price up new ones, and they're about 3 or 4 times as much as if I went to the wreckers and got some from there. Hopefully they're still good. That's the gamble that I'm going to take, but I can go and get it right now, whereas if I order it, it'll be like another week or so. So we can see if it works today. If it doesn't, then I'll order the new ones. But yeah, my car has stalled a couple of times and it's hard to start. So it's happened before, and I brought up the engine code and it was camshaft positioning sensor. I'm just going to change both of them. I haven't scanned it recently, but I know that is the issue. So yeah, I got to get one for the Golf, which they use the same one in quite a lot of their models. So yeah, grab some tools and we'll head out to Jolly's You Pull It in Ringwood. Alright boys, hang on, just make sure the radio's not on. Alright, hard to start. I'll probably start first time now. See? Check engine slip and that comes on. Also with the gearbox or the transmission, I'm gonna do an fluid flush. I did go back and have a look, and it is a bit brown when it should be red. I need fuel. Yeah, it's quite warm in here. Alright, let's go to the wreckers. Alright, nearly there. I don't think I've been to this wreckers for like 18 months, maybe even before the whole coronavirus thing. Hopefully it's still here. I was just looking online, so it should be. Hey, here it is. A little sneaky in this way. Yay. Sick. Alright. So, I'm not actually going to be recording in there on the GoPro. If I do see anything that I would like to record, it would just be on the phone. I don't like people recording in there, so yeah. Let's get in there and get those sensors. I didn't even look if there's any foresters here either, so I might have a little wander around as well. Whew. It's hot and I'm sweaty. I got the sensors. And I got something else for the forester. Wasn't expecting to get. But, yeah, definitely under budget. So hopefully everything works. I'll need a little bit of clean up, but should be all good. Let's head home. Alright boys, just got home. Just gonna have a bite to eat first.
but then I need to find my OBD reader for the Nissan. Just one of the cheap eBay ones that I think I've got Talk Lite on an Android phone that I got to find. Back soon. Alright, so I found the OBD reader. It was in the Forester, it's in the Skyline now, but the phone that I use to link up to it, it's not charging, it's not turning on. So I'm going to see if I can use my laptop. Hopefully that works. Alright, so I've got OBD Auto Doctor. The laptop is connected to it, but the program isn't connecting to it. Alright, I'm connected now. I haven't been on the laptop for so long, getting all these pop-ups coming up. Right, engine codes. I've got 2 confirmed engine codes. So I've got P0340, camshaft positioning sensor A. Got that 3 times. P0345, cam position sensor A, circuit bank 2. It's got 1 and 2, so I did get both of them from the wreckers. So I'm going to clear this. I'm going to go clean up the sensors, which are just behind me, and then we'll swap them over. Fingers crossed they are good. Okay, so with this OBD Doctor, I cannot delete the codes without purchasing the whole thing. See if I can get Talk Lite. I know you can delete the codes from that. Yeah. Sorry, my hay fever is really bad today. They said it would be pretty bad with the thunderstorms, the wind, and the heat. And I'm sweating like a pig. Alright guys, it's actually raining and it's sunny. I think it's passing. Yeah. Just did the traditional top up. It is due for an oil change, so I'll do the oil change and the transmission at the same time. But the engine's still very hot. I'm gonna get those cam sensors out, and to do the other one I actually get on the engine, and that's really hot. What? Yes. Alright, so the right hand bank sensor has been swapped over. You need to get to the left side. I can't remember how to do it. Might need to take the intake off. Not sure. Back in a sec. Also, I need to put you guys on charge. Alright boys, so I got the left hand one in, and I had to do that all by just feel. Couldn't see anything. Got that swapped over, and let's see how it goes. Yes, heaps better. Obviously we've still got the engine code there, but we don't have the slip and DC takes it. No, VDC. Alright, so that one's fixed. Now I have to wait for the missus to get home and do hers. At least I can clear her codes. I can't clear mine until I get that phone. Yeah. Alright, there's a storm coming. Missus home. Bit of a fight against the clock here to see if we can get this changed over. Shouldn't be too bad. That fella there. Alright, swapped over. It's getting closer. That storm. So that was pretty easy. Start the car up. Oh, I'll clear the code and we'll start the car up. See if that's fixed it. And also it was freaking hot because the missus just got home. So, oh yeah, that's all gummed up. Maybe it was just because it was gummed up. Anyway, we'll keep that just in case. Whew. Alright, starting to rain. Let's turn it onto accessories and we will go through the scan and I'll clear the code and we'll start it up. Because I think it was yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. As soon as I started it up, it came up, so we'll know. Hopefully it starts actually. So just as I was swapping over the sensors, I double checked that they were the same sensor, same part number, so I don't see why it wouldn't fix it unless that sensor's stopped. So pretty humid today. Woo! Sweating like a pig. Scanning. Oh, just scanned it. Passenger door has 3 faults. Great, that's the one I fixed. Clearly not. To clear them. Engine 2 faults. Oh my god. Camshaft position sensor. Fuel pressure regulator. That's a new one. That happened 2 kilometers ago. It tells you when it happened. What mileage? We're at 107. We're at 105. 91 counts. What the? Great. Fuel pressure regulator B. I'm going to take a screenshot of that because I haven't seen that before. Great. And we'll clear it. Great success. Fuel pressure regulator. Wow. This is just great, isn't it? So are we all good? Yep, cleared everything. Start it up. Clear. It's running. We'll scan it. We are definitely low on battery. See the battery or alternator. It's at 13.2. But when it's just sitting there, it's at 11.8. So yeah, just doing the scan. I'll come back when it's done. I'll quickly go through it. Well, I've rescanned it twice, and camshaft position sensor is still there. Signal outside tolerance. This has just happened while I've been sitting here. So we can go to the Googs. Insecure rotor, camshaft alignment, but not be camshaft alignment. Insecure rotor. Not good. That's got me beat. Bloody Volkswagens. It does start better. Let me know what you think it is. Definitely don't want to be tearing into this motor. Yeah, maybe it's time for an upgrade for the missus. Great. Alright guys, just got back from a drive in the Golf and it's driving like it normally does. Maybe it's actually the camshaft sensor actually picked up something wrong. It's not actually the camshaft sensor itself. Hopefully not, but if it's an issue, we'll obviously dive further into that or get one of my mates to have a look over it. Yeah. Well, we got the Skyline fixed, not so much the Volkswagen, but we did find out that it wasn't the sensor, so slowly getting there. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode when we're back on to the Subaru engine. Bye.